Demonstrate how to install A2ZERP. First, extract the zip file. Now simply run the setup by double-clicking it. It will download all the required components. Let us wait for it to complete. Now we have installed all the required components, and it is now showing the A2ZERP installation wizard. Click Next and accept the default location or provide one. Click Next and we'll install the application. Now let us run it for the first time. You can see a window showing your product is not licensed. Here, just enter the company details and create a license request file. Generate it and send it to the WhatsApp. Or you may open the WhatsApp in your PC. You will receive the license file back in WhatsApp number provided. Once you receive the license, you can install the license by clicking Load License as I show you here. That's it, we are done. Now let us start using it. First, you need to create a company. Okay, now let's open this. For the first time, it may take some time because it is setting up database. Everything is loaded now. You may explore the app now. One more thing, if you are stuck, just click this button.